Let's try to draw a sitting girl, study, and see writing on paper, and in front of her a laptop. So try to draw this. First of all, some rough sketch. So how to create in this kind of rough sketch. So first of all, this is a head portion, okay, and now this is 1 point and this 3 points, and this says her finger. Okay, now first of all, keep in mind that gestures drawing or the speed drawing is very important and necessary part. See, this is the most difficult part here. So that's a little bit of easily. So make it a pipe like thing. So I'm always discuss over in my channel. That's always make some cubes, make some pipes, which is really helpful for your drawing. So this is the finger, this finger positions of finger. You can clearly understand this portion. So draw like this, and I'm going to draw this one and this positions. Okay, so my client is give me this task. Actually, he want a illustration for his page, web page, and I'm designing this or illustrate this thing for web page. Okay, so here you can see this the positions of the girl, and here the I'm just little bit of try to enhance the face part. Okay, this is face part, and always this is the headphone in her ear. So this one, and try to draw speed. I'm just speedify my drawing for this portion and this portions, or the table like thing. And see, this is the laptop part. Okay, this is the laptop part, and don't worry about this. If you take any mistake and create any mistake, so it will be recovered when you are going to illustrate. So here some books. This only one books is enough, because if you create more enough books, it's going to be very critical, and the finger part will be covered. So this is very important thing before doing anything, doing any sketches. So after that, this sketch is like this, and now the lower part I need to draw or imagine. So let's start. Now from here I'm going to draw the lower part, but just try to enhance this part, and just measure where we can start making the lower part. So this is the lower part. Okay, and see here some glass of water. So this is the book, and just draw like this, because this is a gestures drawing, speed drawing. So don't worry about if you make lots of, here you can see there's lots of strokes, because this strokes will be omitted, and the final result we can get in our illustration. So here is the setting arrangement. Okay, so actually this page is for the creativity page, or you can use this illustrations for showing the hard working woman or hard worker, your employees. Okay, so actually my client is making a landing page for his website, and he want some innovative idea for creative product landing page. So he give me this task, and I'm just doing this task with my imagination. So here this you can see this back of this girl, actually the setting arrangement, and always do like this, and always think about perspectives. So here you can see this perspective, and this one for the neck and shoulder, and the hands, upper hand portion, and just draw like this, and lots of strokes, and don't create any broken strokes when you are sketching, because broken strokes is very looking awkward. So here you can see this is the hand portions, and just I'm actually this is a trouble area, so I'm just focusing this area to enhance the beauty of this things. Actually see writing on paper and typing on the laptop. So here the flower or the plant arrangement in front of her laptop, the small, and the glass. Here you can see this glass, and the seating arrangement on her back, and that is the idea. Actually, basically this is the idea what I'm going to illustrate today. So you can see this is the thing. Now the head portions, I'm just try to draw here, and this is the portions. Just, and don't worry about the head portions, because when I'm going to illustrate this kind of flat illustrations, we're not going to focus on the head, because we're trying to draw here some gestures and our message to the client, actually this website for the creativity purpose. So we are making a landing page through our Adobe Illustrator. So here in the lower part, and okay, so here lower part, the actually in the flat illustrations we are not focusing on the face area. Okay, so here you can see this matte and sophisticated matte, and he see in the floor, and try to write and type something. It's showing the creativity, the writing skills, and the hard labor worker, hard labor people. So like this, and our sketch is almost ready. Now we are going to illustrate this one. So this is the illustrations we are going to make. And first of all, it's I'm increase and replaces the sequences as a thumbnail. Okay, so it's a thumbnail, and this is actually, you can see this, the visibility as a 50%, and it's template view. So this is sketch, and now in this tutorial I'm going to trace this sketch. Okay, so let's start and just speedify this process because this process is very boring. Okay, now finally tracing this image with pen tool. Okay, you can use brushes or the pencil tool also, but here I'm recommend to you use pencil tool. Okay, and here you can see this is the face. We are smoothify this face, and here the upper part of the body, and this is the finger and the hand illustration, and you can see this is the part. Okay, the upper part of the body. Actually, this is the finger part, and always try to sketch and try to illustrate the part wise. See, this is the most difficult part. Actually, we are going to show that's actually you need to think this hand actually 3 part. Okay, those 3 pipe actually joint, and then you can understand how to draw. And see, I'm actually overlapping the lines, and this is very important. With the help of shape builder tool, you can easily cut the overlapping part. Okay, so don't worry about this overlapping part. See, the overlapping part is deleting like this. So here it's we're going to get a final result, and see, this is a clean, neat and clean area. See, this is actually some areas, some objects like things, and now the back area is for the setting arrangement. We like to draw and like to illustrate. This is also the setting arrangement also. Okay, so still you need to watch and always enjoy the illustrations, because anything in this world, if you want to learn, first you need to enjoy the process of this particular thing. So enjoy the process of making this or illustration of this idea. So I'm going to illustrate this thing, and this is a glass. Okay, and the water, and this thing is for the some flower plantations arrangement. This is something like this. Okay, now this things is looking nice, and see this things for our face, and just try to draw another illustrate another time, because the first things I'm just not happy with the result of tracing. So here trace like this, and we can get an idea how to color of this girl. So the skin color. So this is a flat illustrations. As I told before, there's a flat illustrations for the web page, landing page of website. And here you can see this is the hand and the typing type of demonstrations, and actually see working. And we are going to show the hard working people. Okay, so always do this. Overlapping areas is very important, and we are going to use here the shape builder tool, one of my favorite tool here, and I'm using a shape builder tool for removing the unwanted part of this illustration. So this is, you can see this is a very clean illustration, and this part, the lower part of the body, and now this is the table part and the wooden table. So this kind of thing, you can see this area, I'm cutting this unwanted areas, and just neat, clean and clear illustrations, and see this thing. And now this is the part of the wrinkles in our cloth. Here the sitting arrangement, and just try to trace this sitting arrangement in my own way. Okay, so it's like this, and this is for her foot, and there's a glass of water, okay, and just like this. Now it's looking better, and this is the plantations, some plantations, and you can see this kind of thing, hitting control Y for the outline versions of in Illustrator. So always use control Y for viewing outline of your illustration. See this thing, and just try to illustrate once more time. I'm just demonstrating you how you can illustrate. So this is actually I'm just reviewing once, times and 3 times for any part which I think this awkward, and removing that part, and part wise and layer wise, and just creating my ideas. And before giving to the client, just creating 3 versions of my same illustrations, and after that give it to the client, and client will decide which color or which versions is she or he like to take. So before giving to her, I'm just making 3 versions. Don't copy this. I'm just trying to show you how you can just this is, you can see there's a clean portions, and just this is the lower part. Okay, and I think this is the thing. It's very nice and cool effect, going to give a cool effect. So here the little bit of problem, and go to the stroke and you can modify the strokes. And see, this the result, and some books and arrangement of the sitting arrangement like this. If I think that that's a final tracing. I am 3 times trace these things, and this result, I'm actually happy with this result, and because this is clean, give me clean idea how to color of our bodies and other part of those things, and that's going to looks very professional. Okay, so this is outline mode, and here I'm just try to draw this thing, and this is one, and see, this is actually ready. And now I'm going to color of our body, skin and clothes, and the sitting arrangement also like this. This is actually delete this things and not necessary for the sketch. Now we are going to make a landing page for his website. So this is take it aside, and you can clearly see this is a girl, and this is, there is a no link image. So before submitting any other things to client or any agencies, please try to see any link image. If you mistakenly forget to delete any link image, it's going to very awkward. So keep you productive like this. Okay, write like this. It's a landing page, a website landing page, as I told you before. So alignment like this, and choose a font which is looking I think this one, no, this font is not give me good result. So something like this kind of font. No, this font I'm actually use here, but I'm not going to use this thing. And like this, the simple font. No, the font choosing is very important here, because if you, there are lots of there are main 3 font family: serif, sans serif, and the decorative font. So I will discuss about this in my next class. Here you can see this is keep productive writing here for the website landing page. I think that's very bold, but I'm looking for these things. It's very nice looking. Okay, this is called you can clearly see this this font have some hoods. Actually for the understanding purpose, I'm using this language hood, and this font is called serif font. Okay, which font have some foot like things, or the extra part you can clearly see. In my next class I will really going to discuss about this. And this is get start. I'm writing here get start. Just decrease the font size. Okay, decreasing this font size. You can give some trimming area for this illustration. Okay, now I'm going to make a some dots and creating a pattern. So you can see, no, not here, I'm actually missed a pattern option, and here you can see this is a pattern, and how you can make this dot to pattern. Here this is very important. Go to the object, and here you can see this is like this. I'm just going to make some pattern transparency. It's not necessary here. Actually, I showing you how you can make pattern transparency. Shared, not necessary. To go to the here, you can see this is corrections and some of the pattern. Now see this make pattern and a little bit of box type of thing. You can see this cube type of thing, and you can do the break by row. You can use this grid and lots of things. You can play with these things and explore many ideas. Okay, so here this link image, I'm just increasing the size, and you can see this gap is changing of dots. Okay, so go to 7 into 3, that's not great. 7 into 5 is okay, really great. And now decreasing and increasing the height and width of this dot or point. It's now make this like this, and increase and decrease this the thing. Okay, now increase the V space. Okay, like this. Okay, you can clearly understand about this. And if you don't understand in this class, I will discuss about this in my next upcoming class about pattern, how to make you make a great beautiful pattern and make explore your creativity with the help of pattern. So simply done, and your grade is gone. And what you need to do here, see, this is the pattern option. See, this pattern, you can modify these things. Just here you can see this portion, just drag it down. So after that, you can see this swatches. You can if you don't see the swatches here, just go to the window and click and check mark on the swatches. See, there's a beautiful pattern. I'm not happy with this pattern idea, so go to this things pattern option. So if you click this and want to modify, you can. Always welcome modify this thing. Okay, so Adobe is a very give us the very important thing here. That is very great advantage. So go to these things, artboard, glass, those all of things. You can explore your creativity, edit pattern. So go to these things and go to edit pattern. You can edit your pattern like this. So I think this is increasing the space of dots. Now done. Your pattern is ready. Now you can use this pattern to this illustration. And now what I'm going to do here, just make a box like this, and now hit pattern. Sorry, this is not here, and this is like this pattern. you can make pattern like this. I'm not going to make this is a pattern. Okay, and now you can see this is make pattern. So like this, here it is. You can see there are lots of options. You can explore your creativity like this, but I'm just choosing something new one for the modern one. So here, see, this is the pattern we want. So done. This is the pattern of dotted pattern which we made here. So this is pattern, and send it to back. Send it to back. Always send it to back. Keep it productive. Yes. Now this landing page is almost ready. Okay, like this, almost ready. So here this is ready. About page, product page, pricing, and how it works. So you can change and modify this. Thank you very much for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.